my fans, friends, and family. Part 3, I guess. Maybe part 2. Update. Top end's complete. Fresh piston. Fresh cylinder. We about to do a compression test. See what we get. What y'all think? Comment down below. Let me know what kind of compression you think we're going to get. We had, what, 100 last time before it went?
Yeah.
Let's see what we get now. Throttle open. Oh, where we at? 110. Let's see what we got here, man. That's where we had like 70 last time. Let's see. We'll see what happens when we fire her ass up. See if she gets better compression with these piston and rings we got put in here.
Good.
I like to be 150. We'll see what happens. Y'all stay tuned and locked in. We'll get y'all a start up sometime. Very, very soon here.
110's all right, right?
Yeah, it should be enough to start for sure. So we'll see if she gets more. I like to have more, you know me. So we will see after we get this out. Hopefully we don't have no air leaks or nothing. We got some tight seals. And we will see. Got the gas tank on to her and see if she fires up. So y'all stay tuned and locked in. Sorry. We're going to cut this one here short. We're going to figure out, like I said, y'all think this thing going to start up? Y'all let me know. Comment down below, y'all. I need 2 comments from every last one of y'all. What was the compression you thought it was going to be? Do you think she's going to start up? Let's see, y'all. Stay tuned in. Murray Mini Motors. Peace.